Hey guys, can I let you in on a little secret? Last week, I made $500 online. And get this, I did it in just 7 days without investing a single dollar. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds way too good to be true. But stick with me, because I'm about to break down the exact, simple, 3-step method I used to make it happen. And let me be clear, I am not some tech genius or a massive influencer with a huge following. I'm just a regular person, and I'm convinced that absolutely anyone with a phone or a laptop can do this. Even if you're a complete beginner. Ready to see how it's done? Let's get right into it. Okay. Step 1 is the most crucial. Find a skill that people are actually willing to pay for. Don't overthink this. I just hopped onto a freelance platform like Fiverr and started browsing. I looked at what digital services were trending. Things like social media management, writing captions, video editing, and thumbnail design. I decided to go with YouTube thumbnail design. Why? Because it's a skill you can learn quickly. It doesn't take hours to complete a project. And most importantly, thousands of creators need new thumbnails every single day. The demand is already there. Step 2. I created my own gig on Fiverr to offer my new service. Seriously, this part was so fast. The whole process of setting up my profile, writing a description, and adding some example images took me about 15 minutes, maybe 20 at most. Once my gig was live, I didn't just sit back and wait. Took action. I found a couple of Facebook groups and a Reddit forum, specifically for new YouTube creators, and I shared a link to my gig. I wasn't spammy about it. I just let them know I was offering an affordable design service to help them grow. And you won't believe what happened next. Within just 2 days, I got my first order. A YouTuber reached out and wanted 5 thumbnails for his upcoming videos. I used a free tool called Canva to create the designs. It's super user-friendly. I delivered all 5 thumbnails to him in less than 24 hours. He was so happy with the result that he left me a glowing 5-star review. And that one single review was like a magnet. It brought me 3 more clients, almost immediately. Before I knew it, the orders were rolling in, and boom. By the end of the week, I had made a total of $500. So there you have it. That's the simple, no-fluff story of how I made my first $500 online without spending a cent. It just took a little bit of research and a little bit of action. If you'd like me to create a full, detailed, step-by-step tutorial on exactly how I set up my Fiverr gig from start to finish, just let me know by commenting. Show me down below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with a friend who is looking to start earning online. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.